In this exercise, we are going to practice the basic concept of Java classes. So let's create a new project, Java 10, nothing there. And then let me choose the locations. I'm going to create a new project under Documents folder here. And then the name of this first project as an exercise is Ex1. Your first name, your last name, blank, and the capitalization. And be sure to copy the project name and append it as a project location. Then Ex1 Hongsong will be created in Documents folder. Finish it. Yes, create a new directory. Then as you can see, that new project folder is created. So what I do now will be inside this folder we will be created. So let's create under source where Java program should be located. Right click, new Java class. So let's give a class name as a main in your project where the main method, which is starting point of execution, is given. So in this course, as you create the project, always have a class name, the main, for representing the starting point of execution. Okay. Public static void main string array and parameter. So let's begin writing program. So what we are going to do is just a very basic practice of object-oriented programming. So the very basic thing is to do object-oriented programming. If you are dealing with something, then create the object for that. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate an environment where I insert the coins into the piggy bank, and then I want to know the balance in the piggy bank. So here we have two major things, piggy bank and the coin. So to simulate that environment, we need to create a piggy bank class and coin class to simulate the things. So what I mean by it as follows. So PiggyBank, suppose I have a class defined, then create a PiggyBank object, new PiggyBank. Then into the PiggyBank, I want to insert a coin C1, the like. So here C1 is a coin. So in C1, I'm going to create the coin object with a value like a 5 cents coin and the like. So we are going to do something like this. So after inserting several coins, I'm going to check the balance in PiggyBank P1. So in doing so, we need to create a PiggyBank class first. As I click this part, the IntelliJ has some suggestion. And click the one, and then what it says is create the class PiggyBank. That's what I need. So click the destination package in the same place, so don't choose anything, just click OK. Then in this PiggyBank is created, so that line error is gone. Second, I need a coin class, so click and then choose one of the suggestion, create class coin in this package. So there, but coin still it has error because we need a constructor which takes a number. So let's add a constructor coin which takes a value there. Then let's go back to main. That second line is no errors, that's all gone. And then insert method is needed for PiggyBank. Suggestion is create a method insert in PiggyBank. That's right. So insert PiggyBank coin is provided, and that is the template of the things we need. Now all the errors are gone. So far so good. Now let's create another coin and then insert that new coin with a 10 cents there. So far so good. And then finally let's get balance from P1. Let's call get balance method, which will tell you, which the piggy bank will tell you what current balance. Then we can take a look. Println balance is balance, like that. So get balance, we have error. So let's pick up suggestion, create the get balance method. That's correct. So integer return type is what we need. And then the balance, we need to implement this code. We need to return some value, then error, syntax error is gone. So at this moment, as I run it, the program will not correctly produce the result. Since I have inserted the coin with the 5 cents and 10 cents, the balance should be 15, but I didn't do anything here at all, so that's not correct. Then let's think how to implement a PiggyBank class get balance method. So here, what you need to do is in terms of the method needed for PiggyBank class, as we know how we are going to use, I'm going to insert, I'm going to get balance. The method needed for PiggyBank is pretty much, you can guess that by the way it will be used. So we have done that one so far. So PiggyBank need insert method, get balance method. That's what we figured out by its usage. Second thing is in terms of programming or defining PiggyBank class, we need to find what the member variables in PiggyBank is needed. So PiggyBank, as you remember, when you class just a general class definition, you need to define some member variables. So how do we know what member variables this PiggyBank will require? That is, if you run this program and if you are the PiggyBank, just imagine you are the PiggyBank object P1, then to properly behave as it's required, what do you need to remember? If you are the PiggyBank, what do you need to remember? That will be translated into member variable of a PiggyBank. So here you will be asked to give a balance, and then you will receive coins. Then what do you need to remember minimally is as a coin is inserted, you just get the value and then compute the current balance. As you get another coin, get the value and then accumulate the balance from coin's value. So you need to remember minimally the balance for the coins inserted so far. You don't have to remember each coin inserted, just get accumulation of the values, which is the current balance. So in PiggyBank class, what you need is a member variable. You need is a member variable. We just use a private access mode. Int balance is needed. And constructor, typically constructor is to initialize some things at the beginning. So balance, we should begin with a 0. That's what you need. So when we figure out the member variables required by the PiggyBank, then proceed implementation. So first one is insert. So insert, then what we need to do is as a coin is inserted, get the value of the coin and then accumulate it onto the balancer. So balancer just accumulate by the coin's value. So we need to get value of the coin. But coin does not have a get value method yet. So what you need is add get value method in coin. It's an integer return type. So value of the coin should be remembered by the coin. So coin should remember its value and then you can return that. So as a coin, it has to remember value of the coin. So when the constructor, the value of the coin is passed, then you can save it into member variable value. Here the keyword this is referring to the current object. So you have a value in the parameter, value in the member variable, then you can distinguish it by using this dot. If you use this dot, it's referring to the member variable. Without this dot, it's referring to the one in the same method, which is a parameter value. Then get value means simply return value. So at this moment, you don't have any variable named value within this get value method. So this value without this dot is referring to the member variable automatically. So only in this case, since we have two variables with the same name, so we use this dot to distinguish them. So we have everything implemented so far, so balance should work fine. Click run. So balance is 0. That is not correct. So let's see get balance. So get balance should return balance value. Now let's run again. Balance is 15. That is correct.